there, this is Jazmin's video where I'm gonna make a lion. First, you need to start with a round shape. Be careful. I'm just gonna do it like this. If you can't do it with a finger, make a big U shape and make it a little bit up and then back to get. Here's our mane. Let's make its fuzzy ears just up like this and up like that. Down, one more inside, one more this side. Next, we're going to draw its eyes. And then its cute little nose, so it looks like this. Some big, cute little ears. And also some whiskers, like this. Next, we're gonna draw its mane. We're gonna fast forward and please pause the video so you can take your time. Oh, I got an idea. Maybe we can make a body of the lion. First, make a wide shape like this. And then down. And then make its bottom. And then make its long tail. Put a little curve. And then make its long tail again. Next, legs like this, a little bit long. And even then, we need to, if you want to make it a girl or a boy, you can do anything you want. It's going to look like a noodle. This one, I made some more detail with this one. And it looks a little bit like a noodle. Get it? It's a noodle. Now, we're done. Yes, dun dun dun. Get it? Dun dun dun. Okay. Please subscribe my channel and click the button that looks like a thumbs up. And please subscribe below so I can type you back. Bye bye.